Are you a teenager dreaming of becoming a millionaire? In this video, we reveal 7 essential principles to help you achieve financial success at a young age. We're not talking about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune, but rather, achieving financial independence through strategic planning, smart decisions, and a good dose of discipline. This isn't a far-fetched dream, it's an attainable reality. There are plenty of people out there who've made their first million before hitting the big 3-0, and you could be one of them. We're here to share a roadmap that could guide you towards this goal. Today, we're diving into the 7 principles that can lead teenagers on the path to becoming millionaires. These principles aren't magic spells, but proven strategies that can potentially catapult you into the realm of financial success. Sounds intriguing, right? So buckle up as we delve into the 7 principles that can lead you to become a millionaire before you turn 30. The first principle is to start early. Now you may be wondering, what's the rush? Well, the secret lies in the magic of compound interest. This is the process by which your money earns interest. And then that interest earns interest and so on, creating a snowball effect that amplifies your wealth over time. One notable example of a well-known investor who emphasizes the importance of compound interest is Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals globally. Buffett started investing at a young age and has consistently emphasized the power of compound interest in growing wealth over time. His investment philosophy centers around long-term value investing, which aligns with the principles of compound interest. Was he privy to some top-secret information? No, he simply understood the power of starting early and the impact of compound interest. By investing his money early, Warren allowed his investments to grow exponentially over the years. The interest he earned in the first year was compounded in the second, the third, and so on. This is the power of starting early. Remember, the earlier you start, the bigger your potential gains. The second principle is developing multiple income streams. Picture this: you're on a boat in the middle of the ocean, and you have one sail powering your journey. Now what happens if that one sail rips or collapses? You're left stranded, right? Well, the same concept applies to your income. If you rely solely on one source and something goes wrong, you could find yourself in choppy waters. Now let's consider a different scenario. Imagine your boat has several sails. If one fails, others can pick up the slack, propelling you forward. This is the power of multiple income streams. Think about successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk. He's not just the CEO of Tesla, he's also running SpaceX, SolarCity, and the Boring Company. Each of these ventures is a sail on his boat, driving his wealth forward. So don't put all your eggs in one basket, diversify your income and watch your wealth grow. The third principle is to save to invest, not save to save. The power of saving isn't just about accumulating a pile of money, it's about what that money can do for you when it's put to work. Let's consider the story of a teenager named Alex. Alex worked a couple of part-time jobs and saved every penny she could. Instead of spending it on the latest gadgets or trends, she held on to it. But the real magic happened when she invested that money in a small startup. That startup took off, and the initial investment Alex made multiplied many times over. This is the true power of saving to invest. It enables you to take the money you've worked hard to earn and use it to create even more wealth. The goal is not just to save money, but to grow it. Remember, money saved is money earned, but money invested is money multiplied. The fourth principle is to avoid debt. Imagine debt as quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. It's a pitfall that can seriously hamper your financial growth. Take the example of Jane Doe, a young professional. Jane was lured by the convenience of credit cards and started using them for everything. Before she realized it, she was juggling multiple cards, the interest was piling up, and she found herself in a debt trap. It took Jane years of stringent budgeting, sacrificing her comforts and a lot of stress to finally become debt-free. This is a common story that many face due to lack of financial awareness. It's not that all debt is bad. Student loans, for instance, can be an investment in your future. But unnecessary debt, especially high-interest consumer debt, can be a roadblock on your path to financial freedom. It's simple: avoid debt and stay financially healthy. The fifth principle is continual learning. This is a critical component of financial success. The world of finance and investment is ever-evolving and incredibly vast. To navigate it effectively, it's essential to stay informed and keep learning. Let's consider the example of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. He's known for his dedication to learning, spending as much as 80% of his day reading and studying. It's this relentless pursuit of knowledge that's helped him make informed decisions, spot opportunities where others don't, and ultimately build a fortune. In the same vein, continual learning about finance and investment strategies can help you make better decisions, reduce risks, and maximize returns. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or following financial news, make learning a habit. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make smart decisions and seize opportunities, so keep learning, keep growing. The sixth principle is to network. You may have heard the saying, it's not what you know, but who you know. Well, there's a lot of truth in that. Networking is all about making connections, building relationships, and sharing knowledge. It's like weaving a web of opportunities that can lead to business and investment prospects. Let's consider the story of a successful entrepreneur, for instance, the creator of the popular social media platform Snapchat, Evan Spiegel. He didn't just stumble upon success, he networked his way to it. While studying at Stanford University, he met Reggie Brown, who later became a co-founder of Snapchat. Their friendship sparked the idea that would eventually become a multi-billion-dollar business. This example clearly illustrates the power of networking. It's more than just a principle, it's a tool that can unlock doors to opportunities you never thought possible. Remember, your network is your net worth. The seventh and final principle is to set financial goals. Imagine you're setting off on a journey, but you have no idea where you're going. How likely are you to get anywhere meaningful? Not very. The same applies to your financial journey. Without clear goals, you're wandering aimlessly. Define specific goals. Start by identifying specific financial objectives that you want to accomplish. These goals could include saving a certain amount of money, investing in specific assets, starting a business, or achieving a certain level of passive income. Make goals measurable. Quantify your financial goals to make them measurable and trackable. For example, specify how much money you want to save or invest within a certain time frame. Having measurable goals allows you to monitor your progress and stay motivated. Set achievable targets. Ensure that your financial goals are realistic and attainable based on your current financial situation and resources. Set targets that challenge you but are within reach with consistent effort and dedication. Establish a timeline. Determine a timeline for achieving each financial goal. Setting deadlines creates a sense of urgency and helps you prioritize your actions. Break down larger goals into smaller milestones with deadlines to maintain focus and momentum. Write down your goals. Document your financial goals by writing them down or creating a vision board. Writing down your goals reinforces your commitment and serves as a visual reminder of what you're working towards. Create an action plan. Develop a detailed action plan outlining the specific steps you need to take to reach each financial goal. Identify potential obstacles and brainstorm strategies to overcome them. Regularly review and adjust your action plan as needed. Stay flexible and adapt. Remain flexible and open to adjusting your goals and strategies based on changing circumstances or new opportunities. Be willing to pivot and refine your approach to maximize your chances of success. So those were the 7 principles to guide you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Let's jog our memory one last time. Starting early, it's never too soon to begin. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Save to invest, not just for the sake of saving. Avoid debt like the plague. Network, because your network is your net worth. And finally, set financial goals, because a goal without a plan is just a wish. Each of these principles is a stepping stone on your path to financial independence. They are not mere suggestions, but fundamental practices that have proven effective time and time again. Remember, becoming a millionaire doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and watch your wealth grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more tips on achieving financial freedom.